inside me, son of a god. I'm like a titan that's rising, oh just you watch. I'm stepping into fate, there is no time to waste. I've got that lightning inside me, this is how legends are made. It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired, I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you, got like a million ideas what we could do. Cause I'm not gonna let you slip away, I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me, I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now, should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now, what's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid and in love. When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now, should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now, what's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid and in love. Fix your eyes on me, I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now, should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now, what's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid and in love. Every moment has led us to this day. Every journey that brought us to this place. We're filled with wonder that words couldn't ever contain. This is what we've been waiting for.
Kính thưa các ông các bà, cùng toàn thể anh em bạn bè thân hữu gần xa, ngày 8 tháng 1 năm 2022 là một ngày trọng đại của hai gia đình chúng tôi. Thật vinh dự và tự hào khi được đón tiếp quý vị trong bầu không khí vui tươi, sôi nổi, nhộn nhịp đúng vào dịp lễ thành hôn của hai cháu Văn Thành và Yến Nhi. Cho phép tôi được gửi tới quý vị lời chúc sức khỏe và lời chào tất cả nhất.
Keep chasing what we were meant to be. We can feel it, we're ready for anything. This is what we've been waiting for. At the dawn of forevermore, we can stand on this ground so sure. This is what we knew we would find. sun. Make our way, we have just begun. We're closer to heaven, there's so much ahead of us. We'll give our dreams to the rising sun. Make our way, we've just begun. We're closer to heaven, there's so much ahead of us. This is what we've been waiting for. At the dawn of forevermore, we can stand on this ground so sure. This is what we knew we would find, leaving all of our doubts behind. We can stand on this ground so sure. This is what we've been This is our moment. Do you believe something is happening that could change everything? Can you see more than the typical, all of the miracles? Let's open our eyes, see outside of